Dear students, hope you all are okay and healthy. Welcome back to new or next class, physical education. We are going to discuss about Olympic symbol, Olympic objectives and Olympic values. Last day we have discussed that modern Olympic, history of modern Olympic, who was started, by whom it was started, how it was started. But today we will discuss about this portion of Olympic. First, Olympic symbol. What is the symbol of Olympic? If anyone asks that, do you know what is the symbol of Olympic Games? Yes, we know. What is this? 5 interlock rings which represent the 5 different continents. That is the symbol of Olympic Games. 5 different colors: black, blue, red, black, yellow, green. Blue, red, black, yellow, green. 5 different colors represent 5 different continents, and interlock are represent the unity among them. So this is the symbol of modern Olympic or Olympic Games. Now the objectives. For which objectives or to fulfill the which objectives Olympic Games was started? Now first objective and most important objective is that to pay attention towards the physical education and sports in different countries. That is the first objective of Olympic Games. Second objective and second most important objective is that to enhance the good habits, good and healthy habits among the sportsmen as well as pupil also. This is the second objective of Olympic Games. Number three is to develop patriotism and fraternity among the sportsmen and pupil. Fourth, to develop international fraternity and peace among the or between the countries and continents. Fifth, to develop friendly relationship between sportsmen as well as the nation or countries also. To fulfill these objectives, Olympic Games was started, and it is true that Olympic Games fulfill that objective very successfully. Now the values of Olympic Games. First value, friendship. First value, friendship. Olympic Games is a type of games where they develop the friendly relationship not only among the sports person or participant but also the countries or nation. Through the Olympic Games, the national or international relationship can be changed with friendly relationship. Next, number 2 is solidarity. Through the Olympic Games, it is possible to make brotherhood and unified or make a unity among the nation or countries. Through the Olympic Games, solidarity must be developed. It make a friend relationship among the nation and brotherhood relationship among the nation. Third, fair play. Olympic Games mostly pay their attention to enhance the chance of fair play, and fair play depends on the judgment or justice. In Olympic Games, they mostly pay attention to in the judgment of justice. There is no injustice among the participants. That's why the value of Olympic Games is successfully developed. Next, number 4, there is no discrimination. Fourth value is there is no discrimination. It is true that there is no discrimination in color, in caste, in religion or religious matter, in country. There is no favor in game, in justice. They make proper justice of player as well as team. They pay attention to the fair play of the games, to enhance the fair play of the games. These are the values. There is also no discrimination between men and women. They both are same and they both get the chances in Olympic, and the judgment was same. So these are the values of Olympic Games. Now we are going to discuss about IOC, International Olympic Committee. IOC, International Olympic Committee. It was started in 1894 by BPD Coubertin. By BPD Coubertin, and its headquarters is present in Switzerland. What are the main objectives of IOC, International Olympic Committees? The objectives of International Olympic Committees are like they make the decision where next Olympic will be organized. Number 2, they look after the health of player, where they use drugs or not. If they use drugs, they can knock out the player from the tournament, and if they want, they can give punishment as well as the player as well as the country also. Next, if there is happen any misconduct or misbehavior of the player or through the player, IOC can give the punishment of that Nation Olympic Association. They take the responsibilities for next Olympic, where it will be happened and when it will be happened, and they totally responsible for the arrangement of that Olympic Games. They selected the players through the National Association, that which player will appear in Olympic Games. This is also a part of IOC. So next, after IOC, and there is a main important part is that the first Indian member of IOC, he is the Sir Dorabji Jamshedji Tata. He joined IOC as a Indian member of IOC in 1928. After that, IOC, we will discuss about IOA, Indian Olympic Association. That was International Olympic Committee, and this is Indian Olympic Association. Indian Olympic Association was started by Sir Dorabji Jamshedji Tata in 1927. He became the first president of IOA. So we are not discussing today in details IOC and IOA. We are just providing few knowledge about IOC and IOA. We will discuss IOC and IOA in next class. Okay. So just remember that IOA starting in 1927 by Sir Dorabji Jamshedji Tata and Dr. Noren. Sir Dorabji Jamshedji Tata was the first president of IOA. After that, in 1928, when he was selected or he was elected as a Indian member of IOC, he resigned from the post of presidency. Then Bhupender Singh was the president of IOA. What is the name? Bhupender Singh was the president of IOA. And through the Bhupender Singh, the first hockey team represent India in Olympic Games. But in IOC and IOA, both are same. The president was selected or elected through the members. IOC and IOA both are same. The president was selected or elected through the or by the members of IOC and IOA. And what are the objectives of IOA? IOA, Indian Olympic Association, look after the value of sports and games or physical education in India or in all states. They arrange different types of game to select player for the next Olympic Games. They are responsible to develop sports and games in every school, and their responsible for the development of physical, mental, social and emotional among the students. They look after in these matters also. So today we have discussed symbol of Olympic Games, objectives of Olympic Games, values of Olympic Games, and shortly discussed IOC and IOA. So students, today's class is much. We will come back with next topic and next class. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you.